like bigger noses. I like character noses. So I'm gonna go with it's probably the size of a chickpea. Okay, so roll it into a ball, and then you're gonna roll it into this teardrop shape. And then we're gonna put it right down onto our face. And I take it between the eyes, just like that. And smooth the top part right into the brow. Just blend this right into the sides first. Not too much, because we're just attaching it. We're really not doing the details yet.
It's the ugly beginning.
Yeah.
Right, of any sculpture.
At any sculpture.
Yeah.
Lift that a little bit.